So today we will be going to see the problem of previous property. Okay, that is circular time shift property. It is yesterday what we have gone through. So that we'll be going to see today. So here, suppose x of n is equal to, they have given one sequence 1, 2, minus 2, 3. Okay, so they have given one sequence. You have to illustrate x of n minus 1 mod 4. Okay, x of n minus 1 mod 4, x of n minus 2 mod 4, x of n plus 2 mod 4. So I'll be doing this one, x of n minus 1 mod 4. So rest 2 you can take it as assignment and do it in the assignment book. So they have given one sequence, that is 1, 2, minus 2, comma 3. So let me put an unit circle and let me divide that circle with 4 parts. Why? Because they have given it as 4 mod 4, or you can take it as number of samples are 4. Okay, as number of samples are 4, so I'll be dividing the circle into 4 parts. So that 4 parts, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. Okay, so here they have, as they have given the sequence, I will write that sequence here, 1, 2, minus 2 and 3. Okay, so this, whatever the sequence they have given, we have put it in a circle form and we have written the sequence here. Now what is the question? They have given the question x of n minus 1 mod 4. So they are asking us to shift the position of the given sequence with 1. Okay, whenever it is n minus 1, you have to shift the given sequence with 1 position. If it is 2, you have to shift the position with 2. And one more thing, when it is negative, you have to shift it with anti-clockwise, and whenever it is positive, you have to shift clockwise direction. Okay, so now the first one, what they have given, x of n minus 1 mod 4. So let me take y of n is equal to x of n minus 1 mod 4. So now let me put the circle. So I put the circle and I have named as it is y of 0, y of 1, y of 2 and y of 3. I have done 4 parts. As they have given, it is base 4. Okay, it is mod 4. So I have done. What happened was, anyone wants to speak? Are you able to hear? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone wants to speak? Any disturbance? So they have told n minus 1. So I'll shift the given sequence 1, 2, minus 2, 3 by 1 position. Okay, so this 1, I'll place it here, 1. Okay, I'm shifting this 1 with 1 position. This 2, I'll place it here. This minus 2 here and this 3 here. See here. 1 we have shifted here. 2 from here we have shifted to 2 here. Minus 2 from here we have shifted to minus 2. And 3 from here we have shifted to 3 here. So what it is, minus 1. Minus means in anti-clockwise direction with 1 position we are shifting. Got understood? So with 1 position in anti-clockwise direction I am shifting it. To what the sequence, what is the resultant sequence you'll be getting? You'll be getting it as 3, 1, 2, minus 2. So 3, 1, 2, minus 2. That is y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, y of 3. So there is one more method. This is one method. You using the unit circle and dividing it into 4 parts. It is one method. So one more method is you can take it in like this. Y of n is equal to x of n minus 1 mod 4. So how this can be written? It can be written as x of 4 plus n minus 1. Okay, this 4 is written here plus n minus 1. So what is, now put n is equal to 0. So what is y of 0? It is nothing but x of 4 plus 0 minus 1. So it is nothing but 4 minus 1. It is x of 3. So what is x of 3 given? X of 3 is given as 3. Okay. Here y of 0 becomes your x of 3, which is equal to 3 here. Got? Understood? Next. N is equal to 1. When I am putting n is equal to 1, it is x of 4 plus 1, 5. 5 minus 1, it is 4. So we already know x of 4 is nothing but x of 0. I have told it gets repeated. This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Again this becomes 4, 5, 6, 7. Either you can remember in that way, or what you can do is you can minus, you can subtract it with the number of samples. So 4 minus 4, it is x of 0. So what is x of 0? Given it is x of 0 is 1. So it is equal to 1. In the same way, y of 2 is equal to x of 4 plus 2 minus 1. It is nothing but x of 5. X of 5, that is nothing but x of 5 minus 4. Okay, either you can see in the sequence, you can count, or what you can do is 5 minus 4, it is nothing but x of 1. X of 1 is equal to what is being given in the question, that is 2. So I'll be writing it as 2. In the same way, y of 3, it is nothing but x of 4 plus 3 minus 1. Okay, that is 4 plus 3 minus 1, it is x of 6, which is equal to x of 6 minus 4, it is x of 2. X of 2 is minus 2. Okay, so what is the given sequence? Y of n is equal to 3, 1, 2, minus 2. First method also you have seen by putting into the circle, and the second method also you have seen how to do it. It is one and the same thing. Next, coming to the next property, that is circular frequency shift. Okay, so circular frequency shift, if DFT of x of n is equal to x of k, then you have to prove DFT of Wn to the power of minus Ln into x of n is equal to x of k minus L base n or mod n. X of k is equal to, we know that, DFT of x of n. So what it is nothing but summation n is equal to 0, n minus 1, x of n, Wn to the power of kn. We know this. Okay. Now what we have to do, put k is equal to k minus L, as they have told us to prove. So what we will do, we will put k is equal to k minus L. So when I put k is equal to k minus L, summation n is equal to 0, n minus 1, x of n, Wn to the power of k minus L into n. Okay, wherever k is there, you put k minus L. So now expand it. When you expand, what you will be getting, summation n is equal to 0, n minus 1, x of n, Wn to the power of kn into Wn to the power of minus Ln. What is this? This is again nothing but your x of k. Okay, this is nothing but your. What is x of k? It is nothing but DFT of x of n. So x of k minus L circular shifted n, or it is called as mod n, which is equal to DFT of x of n, Wn to the power of minus Ln. Okay. So this is one property, that is frequency shift. It is. Find the 4-point DFT of the sequence. X of n is equal to 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. Also using time shift, find the DFT of the sequence. Y of n is equal to x of n minus 2. So previous problem what we have seen, they have told only illustrate x of n minus 2 or like that. So what here they are telling, they are asking us to find the DFT of the sequence. So you have to find out the DFT, then you have to find out this one. So now let us see how it is. For n is equal to 4, w4 to the power of 0, w4 to the power of 1, w4 to the power of 2, w4 to the power of 3, you will be finding it out. And what they have told, find the 4-point DFT of the sequence. So let us find out the DFT of the sequence. So what it is, x of k is equal to DFT of x of n. We will be finding out this one. After finding out, you will be having the sequence as done previously. So what is the sequence now? It is 0, 0, 4, 0. And what they have told, use the time shift property. Using the time shift property, find out this one. So what is the formula for this time shift? What is the formula for time shift? What is the formula for the time shift? Anyone? You have written? DFT of x of n minus m mod n is equal to wn to the power of km into x of k. Okay. So this is the time shift property. So they have told x of k. We have find out the x of k. That is 0. What we have got? 0, 4, 0. 0, 0, 4, 0.
Ma'am, screen is not visible, ma'am.
Screen. What happened? What happened? Who spoke now? Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Rest all? Any problem? Who spoke now? Halesh?
Yes, madam. Alex told, madam. Visible, madam. Screen.
What problem you have? Halesh?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನಾ? ರಾಜಹಟ್ಟಿ?
Visible, ma'am.
Huh?
Screen is visible, ma'am.
Gururaj? Arvind?
Yes, ma'am. Visible, ma'am.
Why you are leaving and you are coming again? Who is that?
Someone was removed, ma'am.
Again doing the same thing.
Yes, ma'am.
You all don't understand, I think.
Ma'am, make everyone has attendees so that they can't control.
Huh?
Make every participant has attendees, ma'am, so that nobody can control.
No, somebody, this is not getting clicked. The meeting options are gone. No? So find out the using this formula, find out what is y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, y of 3. Okay. And complete the problem. Next, compute 4 DFT of the sequence x of 1 0 1 0 also find y of n. Who is that? Mutate. Halish. So compute 4-point DFT of the sequence as x of n is equal to 1 0 1 0. Also find y of n if y of k is equal to x of k minus 2 mod 4. So using this formula, okay, we know what is x of k. They have told to find out the 4-point DFT. So first find out the 4-point DFT of the given sequence. Okay. After find outing the DFT, next what they have given, also find y of n if y of k is equal to x of k minus 2 mod 4. So y of n is equal to what? It is nothing but wn to the power of equals circular frequency shift formula. Y of n is equal to wn to the power of minus ln into x of n. So what they have given, it is n minus, sorry, k minus 2. So k minus 2 in the sense 2 is what? L. So L is your 2 here. So W4 to the power of minus 2n into x of n. So you all know what is the given sequence. So y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, y of 3 you all find out and write down the sequence.